Hello everyone, this is Silent Trader. I just would like to welcome everybody. Shout out sa ating Discord member, especially sa ating Snapix members and non-Snapix members. And hopefully you will stay on our Discord channel because meron tayong maraming mga free signals na darating. So itong gagawin natin is meron tayong free webinar. So it will tackle three parts. Okay? So one will be the part 1, then part 2 and part 3. Okay. So first we will have our part 1 today. So okay, welcome everybody sa ating topic. Ito yung slideshow natin. Free webinar topics, how to set trading plan. Yan yung ano natin, first topic. Number 2 is the risk management. Number 3 is the trading journal. Okay, sa part 1 natin, how to set a trading plan. First is the trend line. Okay, so trend line in finance, a trend line is a bounding line for the price movement of a security. It is formed when a diagonal line can be drawn between a minimum of 3 or more price pivot points. A line can be drawn between any 2 points, but it does not qualify a trend line until tested. Okay. So yan yung meaning ng trend line. So just like a drawing a line upward or downward. Yan yung ano natin. But we have to consider three things, okay? So meron tayong mga time frames natin. Weekly, daily, 4 hours and 1 hour. And meron din tayong support and resistance trend line, okay? And then third will be the parallel trend. Okay, yan yung ating i-discuss mamaya. So, okay, so let's start. Punta tayo sa ating chart. Okay, so we have here our chart. Okay, so select natin yung exchange natin na gagamitin. So we have our BTC USD Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase muna tayo. Okay, so here, this is our 4 hours. Proceed tayo sa 1 day as per our topic. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin dito, I mean the 1 week. Okay, so we have our 1 week here. So, 1 week muna tayo. So, ito yung 1 week natin. So, all you have to do is to select here sa ating tools, sa trading view. Kung hindi nyo alam kung saan kunin yung trading view, okay, you have to search tradingview.com. Okay, then yung chart natin. At i-draw lang natin yung trend natin dito. Okay, ayan yung trend natin. Okay, okay, yan. So ito yung support na, I mean the resistance. At yung support naman, okay, so ito yung trend natin sa support. Okay, so enlarge lang natin, I mean zoom out. Okay, yan. So all you have to do is to expand that area and draw a trend line like that. Okay, so yan. Okay, so meron na tayong trend line sa weekly. Yan yung gagawin natin. So, connect lang natin yung lines. Okay? So, yan. Ito yung width natin. So, we have to select that. Okay? Yan. We have to connect lines. And we have also several styles on during a trend line. Yung weak handle natin. So, we can also consider that. Okay, that area. And that one. Okay, yan. Okay, because we have our weak handles here. So as you can see, it's forming a pattern. Okay, ito yung bullish pennant natin sa weekly, but it will happen medyo matagal pa. Kaya we'll just wait, okay, for the closing of the monthly candle. Yan yung weekly natin. So tapos na tayo. Next would be the daily candle. Okay, punta tayo. Switch natin yung time frame. Ito yung time frame natin dito. So, ito yung weekly natin. You have to do is to draw another trend line pataas. Okay, dito until dyan. Okay, so you can consider that one. Yan yung trend natin. Okay, so trend line is multiple pivot points. Okay, so ito, okay, so basta merong ano dito, tawag natin na tested yung support. Okay, so consider natin yan na part of the trend. Okay, yan. So tapos na tayo sa support natin dito. Yan, okay, tumama dito. Yung iba kasi dito, pwede rin dito. Okay, so nag-break niya yun. That this will be our next trend line. And second would be here. Okay, so yan. Yung parang siyang channel. Okay, so I will just discuss later the channel line. Okay, so medyo na-break siya dito but bumalik. Okay, so ito yung trend line. Kung titingnan nyo yung reaction ng price, meron talagang ano dito, makikita nyo na very effective talaga yung trend natin. Kung tingnan nyo, meron siyang rejection dito. And pati dito, nag-reject din. Okay, based on our trend line dito, bumagsak sa lower trend line natin. But if it breaks, okay, pag ito nabasag to dito, possible talaga medyo malalim yung pupuntahan ni BTC. Okay, tapos na tayo sa 1 day. Okay, so always remember, yan yung pag-plot ng trend natin, end to end. Okay, ito, dito, plus dito. So mako-confirm mo yan pag may retest. So kung titingnan nyo dito, kung na-touch siya dito, nag-bounce siya, and then dito din, nag-bounce siya ditong area, and bumalik siya dito, nag-bounce din. So it is confirmed na ito talaga yung trend na ginagalawan ni Bitcoin. And next will be the 4 hours time frame. Okay, tapos na tayo sa the daily. So meron tayong sa 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours natin, so malalaman natin kung saan yung weekly. Okay, so you can also add a text dito. Lagyan natin ng call out. I-call out dito. Ayan, so lagyan natin ng text dito. Weekly resistance trend. Okay, yan. Okay, so ito yung weekly resistance natin. Meron din tayong weekly support trend. Okay, but andun siya sa ilalim. Ito yung daily natin, right? Ito yung daily support trend. Diba? So, isang tingin mo lang, malalaman mo kung saan yung mga trend natin. Okay? So, yung kulang natin dito is the hourly, okay? So, I mean the 4 hours. Okay, kung titingnan nyo dito, okay? So, itong area na to, going down that area, okay? So, that area, na-break siya dito. Okay? So, na-break siya dito, yan, okay? There's a tinatawag natin dito, rally. Massive rally dito. Tumaas si price ng BTC. So, as you can see, maganda talaga susundan yung trend. And this time, tapos na tayo dito, okay, halimbawa, kapag profit na tayo dyan, and we can just leave the drawing para meron tayong notification. Okay? Ayan yung ginawa natin na trend. Okay, so passive, okay din to. Okay, sa support. Okay, yan. So, susunod din sa trend siya. Okay, dito, bagsak dito, rebound. Bagsak din dito, rebound. Okay. So now, pwede natin lagyan ulit ng notification or something dito. Okay, that would be our 4 hours resistance trend. Okay, 4 hours resistance trend. Yan, pwede natin yan. Okay, dito pwede rin. Ilagyan natin ng 4 hours support trend. Okay. Support trend. Ayan. Okay, so tapos na tayo dyan. But if you will reconsider this rally, okay, the current rally of the BTC, so you can delete this trend para hindi crowded yung yung chart nyo. We will have the upper trend dito, okay? So you can have your trend that one. Okay, yan yung trend natin. So, malakas talaga yung rally ni BTC ngayon. Okay? It's possible talaga mag-correct dito and then it will go up again. And sa ating resistance din, okay, so we can have here the resistance trend dito. Okay, so para siyang channel din. Okay, so yan. Ayan na. So susundan natin yung trend ng ano natin, ng BTC. So what we have to do is to dito, lagyan natin ng 4 hours resistance trend. Okay, yung isa naman is dito. Yung tatawag natin na 4 hours support trend. Okay, so that would be our 4 hours chart. And let's proceed to 1 hour. Okay, dito na tayo mag-execute ng trading plan natin. Okay, so dito na tayo. So, balik tayo doon sa ating ano dito, presentation. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa 1 hour trend. I mean, wala pa tayo dito, and then support resistance trend din next ano natin, topic. So, ito let's proceed tayo dito sa ano yun. So, natin chart natin, switch natin dito. Itapusin natin yung 1 hour. Ito yung 1 hour natin, guys, 1 hour. Okay, so yung 1 hour natin, adjust natin dito. So maganda yung trend natin dito. Okay, tignan nyo sa 4 hours, iba din yung galaw niya. And sa mga ganitong galawan kasi, we could consider the trend of the 1 hour. Okay, so yung gagawin natin dito, okay, so So we'll just consider this as the hourly, okay? So pwede tayo gagawa dito, another trend dito. Okay, yan. So yan yung trend natin dito, pwede rin yan. We consider that as the trend. At okay, so lagay ano natin dito. Ito yung resistance natin dito, okay? So yan. Tapos ito yung 4 hours natin, di ba? May na daily support trend. Ito yung daily support trend natin. Ito yung 4 hours natin, di ba? So we can also have that date natin yung support trend natin. Okay? So magiging 1 hour to siya, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Dahil hindi pa malaki yung galaw ng ano natin 4 hours. So we will consider the 1 hour. So sa 1 hour natin, kung makita nyo, meron din siyang trend dito. Okay, so ito yung resistance ng 4 hours natin. So meron talaga siyang ano natin dito, price reaction. Okay, so possible talaga babasagin yan. Dahil kung nakita nyo, merong reaction din dito. Sinalo siya ng EMA 20 natin. Okay, so we will also discuss the exponential moving average on our advanced tutorial or advanced webinar. So ito, we will just adjust this in a closer look para mas maintindihan natin yung ano natin yung galaw talaga ng market. Okay, so yan. We have our, so let's make this more closer. Yan. Review. Ayan. So now, meron na tayong plan. Okay, meron tayong plan dito. So, next our this one, the support and resistance trend. Ito yung sinabi kanina. Okay, so ito yung 1 hour support trend. Ito yung 1 hour support resistance natin. Okay, so we'll just put some notes here. Okay natin dyan. Okay, so lagyan natin ng 1 hour resistance trend. Okay, so yan. Ano yun, 1 hour. Hindi 1 hours. Okay, 1 hours. 1 hour resistance trend. Okay, yan. So, meron na tayo niyan. Ito, hihintayin natin pag mabasag to. Okay? So, kaya we have to always monitor kung meron tayong entry. Okay? So, sa mangyayari dito, we can have our next topic. Okay? Yun yung natin, yung support and resistance. Okay? So, ito yung meaning niya. I'll just have to read this one. The concepts of trading, level support and resistance are undoubtedly two of the most highly discussed attributes of technical analysis, part of analyzing charts, patterns. These terms are used by traders to refer to price levels on charts that tend to act as barriers, preventing the price of an asset from getting pushed in a certain direction. Okay, takeaways. Technical analysis use support resistance levels to identify price points on a chart where the probabilities favor a pose or reversal of a prevailing trend. Support occurs where a downtrend is expected to pose due to the concentration of demand. Resistance occurs where an uptrend is expected to pose temporarily due to a concentration of a supply. Okay, yan. Supply and demand. Okay, so yung support is which daw the demand. Yung supply is yung nasa resistance natin. Market psychology plays a major role as a traders and investors remember the past and react to changing conditions to anticipate future market movements. So yan yung market psychology natin, yung pagtanaw natin sa market. Support and resistance areas can be identified in charts using trend lines and moving averages. Okay? So ang taas ng binasa ko. So na-discuss natin to, yung support trend and the resistance trend. But Yung support and resistance is iba din yun. Iba din ito sa ating next discussion. Okay? So ito yung part of the trend lines natin. Okay? So tapos na tayo sa support and resistance. Okay, so yung number 2 natin is the how to set a trading plan. Okay. Ito yung ano natin, how to set a trading plan. Part 3 is the time frames. Okay, meron na tayong time frames. So, na-discuss din natin 'yan. Okay, so ano yung mga time frames natin? In trading, and especially in trading software and chart analysis, the time frame refers to a specified periodicity. The price action is displayed on the chart. The most important chart type are Japanese candlesticks charts. On them, each candle represents a period determined by the time frame. Example, for a 5-minute chart, each candlestick forms for 5 minutes before the next starts to form. Thus, on the chart, each candle shows 5 minutes of price action. Okay, ito yung illustration na ginawa ko. So, for 15 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay, I mean 1 candle for 1 hour. Okay, ito. Tapos sa 4 hours naman, I mean the 4 candlestick in 1 hour, okay, equivalent din siya sa 1 candlestick for 4 hours. Yan yung pagbasa ng candlestick. Okay? Pag makikita nyo yung 4 candlesticks sa 15 minutes, it will be a 1 candle in 1 hour. Okay? Yan yung time frames natin. So, okay, I have already discussed this in our trend lines, kung paano yun natin nilalagay. Okay, so we have different time frames. Okay, so ito yung sa charts natin. Okay, so we have our setups ngayon. Meron na tayong setup dito. How to set a trading plan. Okay, meron na tayong plano. So yan yung very interesting sa trading. Dapat meron tayong plano. So if you will long this area, dahil nakita nyo na may weak candle dito at sinalo siya ng EMA or yung exponential moving average, you can also wait here. Okay, itong trend natin, you can just okay, so dito sa left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, ka 7, merong tools dito, merong long at merong short. So we will long this price movement of BTC, but we will wait for the trend line dito. Okay, so we'll have to initially pinpoint the resistance level dito. Okay, ito yung first natin, first TP. This will be our second TP. Okay, so we'll just move the stop loss dito. This will be our part 2 webinar topic, yung risk management. Yung very important talaga yan. So ito, nakaset na tayo dito. But if tutuloy siya dito, okay, so we can use also the short position, itong area na to. Okay, so we can use this one. So okay, yun yung brief discussions for our part 2 webinar, and hopefully meron kayong nalalaman or meron kayong nakukuha na information at ideas sa ating discussion. Okay, so hopefully you can have your profitable trading plan, and always remember that risking your funds will affect your daily lifestyle. Okay, dahil masa-stress ka talaga. Meron tayong tinatawag dyan na emotionally stressed, kaya gusto mong i-recover yung mga losses nyo. So because we have our plan, so mas ma-avoid natin yung stress dahil nakaplano na kasi. It's like building a home or a house. So, dapat meron kang building plan or house plan or anything that is part of the plan. Okay? So, yan yung topic natin and hopefully meron kayong nakapulot. Thank you everyone. Thank you and see you in our next webinar. Thank you.